Chasalo MBB Auditorium Tripura Central University Sanskrit Department Luwajijakma by Salnwini Bagwi NEP-2020 workshop Panda Khlaijakha Manjakha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Reddy Nallu Mantri Kishore Braman khobwi Kubun Adongrok
Deepa Jyoti Janardana Deepo Haratu Me Papam
Asal poilanu Panda Manjakha Narwai Rok Norisha Kandoi Lamsuk Sogina Harjakha Abani Agolot Jatika Tharmusungai Pandana Chingshawi Rokha Panda Manjakha Narwai Rok Asal MBB Auditorium Tripura Central University Sanskrit Department Luwajijakma by Salnwini Bagwi NEP-2020 workshop Panda Khlaijakha Asal Panda Manjakha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Reddy Nallu Mantri Kishore Braman the University Vice Chancellor Professor Shamal Dasno khobwi Kubun Adongrok Asal Panda Kok Sanani Thange Hasteni Hastepha Indra Reddy Nallu Shaka NEP ni naharmung ongka Bharatiya values ni Shaka wakaisha education system snamiti sanani abno karibo ashle tebo NEP no rugai tebo dalbidal nangkongmani program shawi khanaroka Hasteni Hastepha Indra Reddy Nallu.
Proud to be here. It is a great honor and privilege to be here with you all today. I am truly happy to see so many bright minds gathered in one place for this important workshop on the National Education Policy 2020. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the ABVP for this visionary initiative and a warm welcome to Agartala to all of you who have travelled from across our great nation. National Education Policy of 2020 is far more than a set of new guidelines. It is a powerful and a visionary blueprint, a strategic national goal under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, designed to guide Bharat back to its rightful place as the Vishwaguru. 21st सेंचुरी भारत का सेंचुरी है, उस दिशा में लेके जाने के लिए ये नेशनल 2020 NEP नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 उस दिशा में जरूर लेके जाएंगे और आप 2047 तक यू विल बी द मोस्ट youngest to utilize that fruits in coming days. This is where the NEP's role becomes important. It aims to create an education system that is rooted in Bharatiya values and globally competitive. One that liberates young minds and prepares students not just for jobs but for life's deeper purpose. This new policy makes education truly flexible and multidisciplinary, breaking down artificial walls between streams. The focus has decisively shifted from memorizing textbooks to learning how to think, solve complex problems, and be creative. Furthermore, the policy proudly promotes our rich Indian languages and acknowledged systems, encouraging the teaching of Aryabhatta's astronomy alongside modern physics and integrating traditional wisdom with future technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on.
Adongrok Chasalo MBB Auditorium Tripura Central University Sanskrit Department Salnwini Bagwi NEP-2020 workshop Panda Khlaijakha Manjakha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Reddy Nallu Mantri Kishore Braman khobwi Kubun Adongrok Raja Khorang Chini Chini Khorang